KTM has long been a leading force in the motorcycle world, and as we look ahead to 2025, it's clear that the Austrian brand isn't slowing down. After a successful 2024, KTM is gearing up to introduce a wide range of updated and new motorcycles that promise to cater to all types of riders. From thrilling adventure bikes and powerful race machines to cutting-edge electric models, 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for KTM. In this guide, we'll walk you through all the major motorcycles hitting the streets in 2025 and the key upgrades you can expect from each. KTM's flagship adventure bike lineup is getting a significant overhaul in 2025, with the introduction of the 1390 Adventure R, 1390 Adventure S, and 1390 Adventure S Evo. These bikes are powered by a 1,350 cubic centimeters engine that delivers a commanding 171 horsepower and 145 newton meters of torque, offering both incredible power and rugged reliability for off-road adventures. The Adventure R is the more traditional model, featuring a classic suspension setup and a sleek LED headlight design. For those looking for the latest in tech, the Adventure S Evo brings KTM's new automated manual transmission, offering smoother shifting and advanced performance on varied terrains. The updated frame adds rigidity and stability, ensuring better handling in all conditions. These models will be available early in 2025. The KTM 790 Adventure returns for 2025 with some key updates, especially to its suspension system. The bike is now equipped with WP Apex suspension, which improves ride quality and handling, especially on rougher terrain. Powered by a 799 cubic centimeters engine that still produces 94 horsepower, the 790 Adventure offers great value for riders looking for an adventure bike that balances performance with affordability. While there are no drastic changes to the engine or overall design, the improved suspension makes this model an excellent option for those new to adventure riding or those on a budget. KTM's SXF range, including the 250 SXF and 450 SXF, receives major updates for 2025, with new factory additions designed to closely resemble the championship-winning machines of the Red Bull KTM factory racing team. These models come equipped with WP suspension, new Acropovic mufflers, and quickshifter transmissions, ensuring peak performance on the track. The redesigned frame and improved suspension make these bikes ready for the most competitive racing environments, whether you're hitting the motocross circuit or trail racing. The KTM 890 Adventure R returns with several refinements for 2025, including improved suspension and a more comfortable ride. Powered by a 103 horsepower engine, the bike remains a favorite for off-road enthusiasts who demand serious performance in the roughest conditions. With WP Sploor forks and a PDS shock system, the 890 Adventure R is one of the most capable bikes for tackling difficult terrains, whether on or off the beaten path. The 2025 KTM 990 Duke R is a true powerhouse in the naked bike category. Powered by a 947 cubic centimeters engine, it produces a thrilling 128 horsepower and offers a unique combination of power and handling. This model features the WP Apex suspension, and its frame and wheels are derived from the high-performance 1390 Super Duke R, making it a standout in terms of both style and performance. With striking white bodywork, matte black, and orange accents, the 990 Duke R delivers both on the streets and in terms of visual appeal. KTM continues its push into the electric motorcycle segment with the 2025 KTM Freeride E, an electric off-road bike designed for eco-conscious riders. Equipped with an upgraded 5.5 kWh lithium-ion battery, the Freeride E offers up to 3 hours of enduro riding, a 20% improvement over its predecessor. This enhanced battery life makes it an even more attractive option for riders who want to experience the thrill of off-roading without the noise and emissions of a traditional gas-powered engine. For serious off-road enthusiasts, KTM is offering the 300 EXC Hard Enduro and the 450 Rally Replica in 2025. The 300 EXC, inspired by Manuel Lettenbichler's championship-winning bike, is a dedicated enduro machine with incredible durability and performance. The 450 Rally Replica is a limited edition model that brings rally racing performance to the trails, featuring top-of-the-line suspension and powertrain upgrades for extreme off-road conditions. The 2025 KTM 450 SMR gets significant updates, including a new frame, an advanced suspension system, and a redesigned swing arm. As one of the most capable supermoto bikes on the market, the 450 SMR is designed for riders who want to experience the thrill of mixed terrain racing with precision and agility. KTM's 2025 lineup brings something for every rider, from thrilling race machines and powerful adventure bikes to innovative electric models. With significant upgrades across the board, especially in suspension, engine performance, and design, KTM continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the motorcycle world. Whether you're a professional racer, an off-road enthusiast, or a rider looking for the latest in electric innovation, KTM's 2025 lineup offers exciting options for everyone. Expect to see these models hit dealerships in early 2025, ready to dominate the roads and trails.